Hello beautiful souls, welcome to our channel Love Messages for Her. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I felt you replacing me. I felt it before you said anything. I felt you leaving while you were still smiling at me. This isn't an accusation. It's a confession from the part of me that stayed quiet too long. I watched the way your energy changed, not suddenly, slowly. Like a door closing without a sound, you still spoke to me, but your eyes stopped resting on mine. Your laughter started sounding rehearsed. Your replies shorter, colder, careful. I told myself I was imagining it. I told myself love doesn't disappear like that. But my chest knew before my mind did. I felt you replacing me. In conversations I was no longer part of. In moments I used to own, in spaces where my name no longer came first. You didn't push me away. You just stopped pulling me close. I remember when I was your safe place. When you used to tell me everything, your fears, your dreams, the parts of you hid from everyone else. I remember your voice at night, soft, unfiltered, needing me, and now you sound distinct even when you are right there. I started blaming myself. Maybe I loved you wrong. Maybe I wasn't enough. Maybe I waited too long to become who you needed. I replied every moment, every silence, every argument. I thought we survived. Wondering which one made you choose someone else emotionally. Because a replacement doesn't always mean another person. Sometimes it's peace you choose over pain. Sometimes it's silence you choose over trying. Sometimes it's a version of life where I don't exist the way I used to do. That's what hurt the most, not losing you, but losing my place in your heart without being told. I stayed loyal to memories while you were learning how to live without me. I held on to S while you were loosening your grip. I never needed perfection from you, I just needed honesty. I needed to know when I stopped being home. If I am honest, I saw it coming the way you stopped fighting for us. The way you stopped asking if I was okay. Love didn't die loudly, it faded quietly. And I was the only one still listening for it. I don't hate you for choosing yourself. I just wish you hadn't erased me in the process. I wish I mattered enough to be mourned, not replaced. You were my person, not because you stayed, but because I never stopped choosing you. And maybe this letter is me finally letting go, not because I stopped loving you, but because I felt myself disappearing in your absence. So, if this is the last time you hear my heart speak your name, know this, I didn't lose you. I survived being replaced by someone who once promised I was irreplaceable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.